Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's just first open settings application, and after that tap on the Wi-Fi settings just to activate Wi-Fi. Just click once here on the switcher, and after that we can see all the available networks. Now just let's select, for example, one from these networks and enter here the password. To see the password, click here once on this checkbox, for example, checkbox to have some mistakes. I'll also enter the password out of screen. After that, just tap here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, we can add here one more network, and after that just one, for example, the Wi-Fi connection on one from this network will just slow. You can just switch between these networks. Just to turn off the Wi-Fi, click here once again on the switcher. And also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel, and here on the left upper corner you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just click here once to activate Wi-Fi. To launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon to launch settings here to select the network, and just to turn it off, click on the Wi-Fi icon once again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.